Welcome back everyone to the 21st episode of the Unreal Engine Beginner series, and this is the Hello World guy. And in this video, since we have got our game pretty much complete, we are actually going to build the game and then make it like an executable that you can give your friends to play, which is absolutely awesome. So the way we are going to do that is we are going to go under file. First let's go under project settings, because we want to get some settings done basically. And by the way, you might also want to build your scene before you kind of package your game. You might want to build your scene. So once the scene has done building, it doesn't take that long unless your scene is kind of way too lighting heavy or something, and it should take and you can see it doesn't take that much time at all, and it's building lighting in here while we can do some other stuff. So in here we've got a bunch of stuff. What I'm going to do is we are going to go under project settings, and let me save everything, and I'm going to go under my maps and modes here. Now for this we are going to change the game default map to our menu, because we want our main menu to be the default map that our game started. This is the editor starter map, which means when we start up Unreal Engine it would be in this match, but if we if we change this to main menu, then when the actual game starts, when we build it, it will be in the main menu. So how are we going to actually package? So first of all, in order to do that, you need to go under project settings, and then you need to go under supported platforms. Now in here we are currently supporting all platforms, but you might not want to do that. We are only going to support desktop, which means Windows and Mac and Linux, or you can actually not going to do that as well. We are only going to support 32-bit window, or you can either support you can either support like 32-bit, or you can support both, but you have to kind of build for one. So if we choose 64-bit window, you can see I can build for 64 bits here, and if I choose 32-bit as well, then in here the option is still for only 64-bit because it's not you can see it's not showing that the 32-bit windows. But if I turn off 64-bit, then it will show 32-bit windows. No, it's not. Okay. Okay, it's sometimes it causes a problem. We are only going to use 64-bit windows for now, and I'm going to just untick everything else. Now in order to do this, you should have Visual Studio installed. If you haven't, then just go and install it. I'm going to just go under package project and hit Windows 64-bit, and for the folder I'm going to just select the folder of the project, and it should start compiling, and I can go under show output log, and you can put this output log here, and you can see it's basically doing a bunch of stuff, and it shouldn't actually take that long for doing it. And when it says something like this, allow it at least on private networks, just allow the access, and just wait for a little while it actually does its thing. Alright, so now we have got everything like back to normal, and you can see it is saying that the package commands completed and the build was successful. So you can basically open up the folder as you told it to. As you can see, in this case I've got this Unreal Tutorials Beginners, and I'm going to open that folder up, and in this folder you should see something. You can see different kind of things here, and I think you need to open up the build one. You open the build folder in here, then open up Windows, no editor, then open up file, open order. Okay, that's not what's supposed to open. Okay. Oh yeah, you need to open that just Windows no editor folder. Alright. Open that folder up, and you should see a file here called beginner.exe. If you double click on that, then you can see it says this, and you can just allow access, and you can see that we get this scene. And it says migrate game, and you can see it the text is a bit too big for our screen right now, and this shouldn't happen because we didn't have that problem in there, but we'll learn about these problems later. And you can see now that I've basically got a working game, and it's not running inside Unreal Engine anymore. It's running as a separate process, which is absolutely awesome. And by the way, you can see that this some things UI particularly looks a bit big. Now how are we going to supposed to solve that problem about the UI looking too big? Is well, we will discuss these in the future episodes, which I've got about some bonus episodes on this series, in which I will show you do some more advanced stuff, including animation and stuff. So yeah, share this video with other people as well, and for that I'm going to put that in like a separate series, you know, bonus episodes for this beginner series. So yeah, make sure to watch that, and I will see you in the next video. And for this video we have basically got our game package. You can send this game to your friends to play, and I will see you in the next video. And make sure to like and subscribe, and also check out my other channel, and bye.